Hey everyone, welcome back. I have a new video for you today. I'm doing what's in my handbag, and this is my current handbag that I'm using right here. It's a Mele Bianco. I got this from Octoly actually. I really like it. I love the handles. So nice. Okay, let's get started. First thing, we have my wallet. This is actually from Fossil. A few years ago, I think right before I went to Paris, Barcelona, my friends got me a Fossil gift card so I could actually pick out the wallet that I want, and I picked the blue with the turquoise or teal, whatever you want to call it, right there on the outside. I thought blue was definitely more classic than like a pink or a coral that I was also looking at. Next I have a Nature Valley's biscuit with almond butter. It's always nice to have a little treat in my purse, especially when I'm on set or out polling and I need something to eat really quick. Perfect snack. This is a Tim Hortons receipt from my ice cap. And 2 Timbits for the dogs. Then I have, this is a little bag that I got. It says, I believe in manicures. I like to keep like my headphones in here, lipstick, lip gloss, a pen usually, which I don't have a pen. Currently have the iPhone adapter, a pair of headphones, an empty plastic headphone case, and then some other headphones. Don't know why none of my lipsticks are in here. I probably used my lipsticks and just threw them in my purse, and I'm pretty sure they're all floating down in there. Okay, next, a random dollar bill. Not sure why that's not in my wallet, but there's that. Oh, I have a random credit card in here too. Man, I must have gotten really lazy about throwing stuff, putting stuff back in my wallet. Oh, here's another receipt. Kroger gas station. There's Kroger. Just a regular Kroger receipt. Then I have my Ray-Bans. I lost the case. I don't know what happened to it. It was in my purse, but they're no longer in the case. They're just floating in here, sadly. Oh, I have another Nature Valley biscuit. Why do I have 2 in here? I have a hand cream. This is the Body Shop Shea hand cream. Smells amazing. My birth control. You guys don't need to see that. More sunglasses. These are from Oliver Bonus. I'm really sad because right when I got these, like this screw is super loose, and I probably should have contacted them right away about it. I think it's stripped. And they probably would have sent me a new pair, but I didn't, and it's probably too late now. This is another hand cream. This is Beauty Counter Lavender. I think this came in a trio. It's a very faint lavender scent. I'm not too big on like a super strong lavenders. My inhaler. Here is a Beauty Counter Lip Sheer in Terra. It's actually the color I'm wearing right now. Then I have, oh, it's covered in dog fur. This is a little Vera Bradley little coin purse. I think I have a bunch of Canadian money in here. I do, this is all Canadian. Actually, I do have some American pennies. I have a loonie. Some quarters. Oh, I do have some American quarters in here. Oh, you know what? I was polling last week in Birmingham, and I was like, I really wish I had some change in my purse. And I checked my actual wallet, in this little part, to see if I had change in there, and I completely forgot that I had this in here. But I could have paid for parking. I had to use the parking app where they charge you like 50 cents just to use the app, which is annoying. Ooh, I have more stuff. Okay. This looks like a movie ticket. What's this for? Oh yeah, this is for Bohemian Rhapsody. My movie ticket. I have a raw sugar lip balm, lemon sugar. Reika chewed the bamboo top off. She's naughty. Oh, this is another movie ticket? Oh yeah, this is for Mary Poppins. There's actually two. I think my dad actually bought mine for this, because we saw it as a family. This is the Clove and Hallow Damsel color. A very lovely red. I'm gonna need to put these in my little case when I'm done with this. And this is my, ooh, I love this, my Ilia lip conditioner in Arabian Nights. One of my favorite colors ever. Ever, ever, ever. Look at that. Okay, there's all. Does I have anything in the pockets? Okay, nope. I have something in the zipper, I think, but I think it just might be my checkbook. Oh no, it's another lip color. I usually keep a pen in here. Okay, this is Bare Minerals Tutu. It's a lovely pink color. So pretty. And for the bag, let's see, it has these two oh, here's another lip color. This is Brunch Beauty Counter Lip Intense. There we go. Oh, sorry, I just got a text message. I saw it. Okay. This purse is basically the two handles. There's a strap. Inside, basically one big pocket. They have the two side pockets and the one zipper pocket. And that's it. That's what's in my handbag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to be back with a new video very shortly. Bye!